In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section in Framer. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, understanding how to create sections is crucial for organizing your projects effectively. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your project in Framer. You'll want to start with creating a new section, and to do that, begin by adding a frame. This is a straightforward process. Simply press the F key on your keyboard. You'll notice you're ready to place your frame. Click and drag on the canvas to set the size and position of your section to fit your desired layout. Think of this frame as a container that will hold all the different elements you'll be adding next. Once you've placed your section, you might want to give it a distinctive look by changing its background color. Select the frame, and on the right side of your screen, you'll see the Properties panel. Scroll down to the Fill option. Here, you get to choose a new color that suits your design scheme. This touch not only adds a visual appeal, but can also help you differentiate between various sections on your canvas. Now, if you decide you need another section similar to the one you've just created, simply duplicate it. Hold down the Alt key while clicking and dragging the existing section to another location on the canvas. This action copies your section efficiently, saving you the time of recreating similar sections from scratch. Next, let's add some elements inside your newly created section. Look towards the top left of your screen for a plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new elements. Say you want to include an image. Navigate to the Media section, drag the image element into your frame, and drop it where you see fit. Want more images? Use the same Alt key trick to duplicate them quickly. Now let's bring some text into play. Click the text icon at the top left, then click inside your section to start typing. This is where you can infuse your project with informative or stylish text. To change the text color, select it and go back to the Properties panel. The color box will allow you to choose a text color that complements your design perfectly. If you need multiple text elements that vary slightly, duplicating and editing each individually is a breeze. For some added realism, replace placeholder images with real ones. Click on an image element and navigate to the Fill section in the Properties panel. Click on Choose Image and proceed to upload an image from your device. This personalizes your design and enhances its visual authenticity. Once your sections are filled with content, don't worry about rearranging them. You can easily move sections around the canvas, and all their internal elements move accordingly, maintaining your layout integrity. And there you have it, a structured way to create and manage sections successfully in Framer.